Every night, millions of people waste nearly an hour making a simple dinner. They blame their recipes, their schedule, or their cooking skills. But that's not the real problem. If you've ever stood in front of your oven waiting for it to preheat while your family asked, "How much longer?" you're about to discover why dinner feels harder than it should. And the surprising answer has almost nothing to do with food. Maybe your chicken finishes first, but your vegetables still need another 15 minutes. Or your fries are already getting cold because the main dish isn't done yet. Then comes the cleanup. Multiple baking trays, oven racks, greasy pans, and another evening that disappears before you've had time to relax. The frustrating part is that most people think this is normal. They assume cooking after work is supposed to be slow, stressful, and exhausting. So they buy another kitchen gadget, hoping it will fix everything. But here's the catch. Most appliances solve one problem while creating another, and that's where people waste both money and time. I reached that point myself. Instead of buying another product based on flashy marketing, I decided to test something much simpler. For 30 days, I completely stopped using my oven. I wanted to know if an air fryer could actually replace it for everyday cooking, or if it was just another overhyped appliance. I didn't care about internet opinions anymore. I wanted real answers from real daily use. What happened over those 30 days surprised me, but the biggest surprise wasn't how fast the food cooked. It was realizing I'd been solving the wrong problem the entire time. And once I understood that, everything else started making sense. Most people believe dinner takes too long because cooking itself is slow. That's only half the story. The real-time thief is waiting for the oven to preheat, waiting for different foods to finish, waiting through multiple cooking batches, and waiting while one part of dinner gets cold. Traditional ovens were designed to heat a huge cooking chamber. That's perfect for large holiday meals, but it's often inefficient for a regular Tuesday night dinner. Then there's another issue almost nobody talks about. Most buyers compare cooking temperature, cooking modes, or basket size, but ignore the one thing that determines how efficient an appliance really is: workflow. Think about your routine. If your protein needs 25 minutes and your vegetables need 15, something is always waiting. Either you delay one dish, reheat another, or compromise the quality of both. That cycle repeats almost every evening. The goal isn't finding something that cooks 5 minutes faster. The goal is removing unnecessary waiting from the entire process. Once I understood that idea, I started comparing appliances differently. Instead of asking which one had the most features, I asked which one eliminated the most friction. Could it cook two completely different foods at the same time? Would both finish together? Could it replace several appliances instead of adding another one to my countertop? Those questions led me in a completely different direction, and that's when one product consistently stood out. I ended up using the Ninja Air Fryer Max XL Dual Zone for the entire experiment. Not because it had the flashiest advertising, but because its design actually solved the workflow problem. The dual independent baskets let me cook chicken in one side and vegetables or fries in the other. Each drawer used its own temperature and cooking time without interfering with the other. The feature that impressed me most wasn't even the cooking speed, it was the sync function. Instead of constantly checking timers, both baskets automatically finished at exactly the same moment. Dinner suddenly felt organized instead of chaotic. Cleanup became easier too. Instead of washing multiple oven trays and pans, I usually had only 2 dishwasher-safe baskets to clean. I also noticed something unexpected after several weeks. Because I wasn't heating a full-size oven almost every evening, my electricity usage dropped compared to my previous routine. Your savings will depend on how often you cook and local energy prices. But using a smaller appliance for everyday meals generally requires less energy than heating an entire conventional oven. I wanted to know if my experience was unique, so I looked at hundreds of customer reviews. The same themes appeared again and again. People weren't just talking about crispy food. They talked about getting dinner on the table faster, spending less time cleaning, and making weeknight cooking feel dramatically easier. That's an important difference. They're not buying an air fryer with it anymore